So we're on page 86, and we're doing 13 through 16. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right. Oops. All right. So let me plus sign. Talk to me, friends. We have a letter H here. I'm just trying to correct my bad ways. All right. So why do you think we kind of joke about saying what kind of problem this is? Is it and or? I'm telling you, it's something that when you start getting further and further in math classes after Algebra 1, it's something that is used over and over and over again. Okay? And I kid you not. So first problem, I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. What do you all think? So I'm going to just go ahead and graph that. So open dot going this way, right? Good so far? Then second problem, let's see, I'm going to divide each side by -9. Friends, what's going to happen here? What's the big thing that happens here? Why does the sign flip? I divided by a negative. All right. So this is what this problem looks like. So it's definitely an or problem. Agree? Okay. I don't want to sit here. I want to sit someplace else. I want to sit at the middle table. All right. Now, some things I have seen on tests and quizzes as far as errors go. I've seen people take this kind of problem. I'm not done with this problem, but I've seen people, they give me only this. They only give me this for an answer, or they might give me this, or or they might give me that. But there's no other work. And unfortunately, a lot of times the answer only, you actually have the incorrect answer and you miss all of the points. There's no thought process that goes towards it. Okay? But I think we can do our interval notation right now. Our interval notation is going to be from anyone want to take a shot at it?
Negative infinity, in the soft bracket, comma, -2, soft bracket 4, soft bracket 5, comma, infinity.
I love it. This is the answer. Notice, my friends, or was here. Or also goes here. Okay? So be cautious on that. Now, is it possible to have an or problem that has a single set of parentheses? Yeah. If it has a single set of parentheses, you don't need an or statement. What was the next problem from that page? Was it 14?
14, 15, and 16.
All right, let's rolling. Number 14. Or. Okay, still with me?
Yeah.
Okay, talk to me, friends. What's a skill that we've been doing on these that is a good startup? Do what? Yeah. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to turn it upside down. Well, not like upside down, like where it's, upside down. I'm going to change the direction of everything. Okay, so the reason I'm doing that, and please hear me on this, once I solve that, the inequality arrow is pointing in the direction that we shade. Okay, that's actually the only reason I do it. Okay, do you have to do it? No. If you're able to do it and you can manipulate it in your mind to have it shade the right way, I think it's fantastic. Okay, unfortunately, I thought I was bright because Dad calls me son.
That's a knee slapper.
All right. So I'm going to solve this the rest of the way. I think you all feel probably pretty comfortable about this. Okay, so I'm going to start plotting that. So I got like negative 15 down here. I have an open dot going this way. Agreed? Okay, notice this arrow is pointing the way the arrow is going there. Then I'm going to do this one. I'll divide by 2, divide by 2. So then I have negative 8 like here. What kind of dot goes on negative 8? Closed dot, because I have that little equal sign. Does everyone feel comfortable with that? And this is going to now go this way. Friends, anyone want to take a shot at the answer? Negative infinity to kind of bracket on the negative 15. Soft.
And then negative 8.
Close. What's first?
Oh, infinity.
Before that?
Oh, hard.
Before that? Or. Okay, and then hard bracket I heard. To infinity. We have too many things that look like 8s up there, and only 1 8. A couple fell sideways. Can you change that attendance for me?
I will.
Thanks. Just mark it at just a T is fine. All right, number 15 is the next one. Yes. Hey, hey, I'm sorry. Let me go back on this for a sec. For this problem, this is 1 point. 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 And having this whole thing down here correct is 4 points. So I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 points for this problem. Okay? Now, and I want you to know, this is how I will grade. Okay, so eyes up there. All the pink circles and squares are the point values I'm looking for on this problem. Okay.
10 points per.
Yeah, like this could be up to a 10-point problem, so that's pretty huge. All right, so it is very possible you make a mistake. Say, like, let's say you made a mistake on that. Okay? But let's say you carry that mistake. So let's say you made this wrong. Let's say you had written this way. And then down here, you actually have it doing this. Okay? So you're missing 1 point for having the initial error, but you carried that error all the way through. Now, some people, I won't mention any names, you miss this part, you miss this part, you miss this part, and you miss 2 points down here. So I'm just saying that there's another teacher in here who grades it this way.
I'm not going to do that. Eventually. I'm kidding. Love you, Strap.
So it's okay. But
I'm a black and white grader, okay?
I know. So I told Stone, this is what I'm looking for. This is how I do the points. And all of a sudden, I look at the grades. I'm like, oh my gosh, this kid got a 20 out of 80.
What?
Oh boy. And then I went back through and graded, and like, oh, thank goodness, they got a 21 out of 80. No, it's fine. It's fine. So please note, it might be a 10-point problem. So the ideal thing not to do is leave this problem blank.
Yeah, don't.
Because that's a real easy grade. Going, there's nothing there, minus 10.
Oh, wow.
Okay? You don't want to do that.
Also, another big point that a lot of kids miss in our third and fifth period is not having the variable on the left side and alone. Okay? they would leave it on the other side and then go with that arrow.
Mhm.
That's not the case. It doesn't work that way. You always, for the arrow to work, you have to have the variable on the left side and alone. But if you change that variable onto the other side, you have to change the sign or
Yep.
it's not gonna be the same.
Yep.
That was a lot of big errors for you guys.
True dat.
Pass and fit.
True dat.
So
So,
you have to be very, 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 very careful with that.
so I'll just tell you this. If you're a bad kid in here, Stone's going to grade yours. Everyone else, I get a grade.
Give them the hard truth.
No.
No,
You guys can't tell that Stone and I get along pretty well, can you?
No.
no, I can't stand it.
The stuff I post about, what I post about Stone on Insta, Facebook, Snapchat,
Yes.
I have none of that. I am not a social media. I don't need that.
You have Snapchat with your daughters though.
Nope.
He does. He's just so
Go look on my phone. The only social media that's on there is Facebook, and that's just because I need to know how to vote. I mean, people tell me how to vote, so I vote that way. Just kidding. All right. Hey, friends, are both of these problems ready to start solving, or do I have to flip any of them over? They're ready. They're ready. Nothing has to flip. The W is on the left side of the sign. Agree? All right, so let's start doing it. Let's go. Then divide by 3. And yeah, I could talk you all the way through this, and I don't know. I get bored. Sorry. And then this one, subtract 8, because you know it's all about me in here. I am the Rhinestone Cowboy, so. All right, so something is happening here. Yeah, divide both sides by -1. And what's going to happen now? The sign just flipped over. Did the sign flip over because I flipped over the whole problem? No, the sign flipped over because I divided by a negative. All right, this is ready to graph. All right, so I got a 1 down here, open dot going this way. I got a 6 right here, closed dot, very good. Make that the thicker one. All right, anyone want to take a shot at the answer?
Soft bracket, 1, soft bracket, hard bracket.
What or?
Hard bracket, 6.
Oh my god, you guys sound like the freaking Eagles from Finding Nemo.
Hey, I don't know about y'all, but I think this is pretty easy. I think we're good to go.
Yeah.
Hey, who let the fly in here?
I know.
If someone catches it, I'll eat it.
I'm trying to kill it right now.
Oh, it's on her head. It's on her outside. Where is the delicious pork?
You are. It's on your head.
It's like crunchy people.
Seriously?
It's hovering around this.
Where? Where? Where?
It was.
My stomach already hurts.
All right, friends. All right, friends. Page 87. There's 8 problems. Page 88 is blank, so you don't have to do page 88. So, my friends, I would strongly encourage you to get this going. Why?
You guys get out of here at 11. They have 30 minutes.
That's why I'm giving you time to work out on class so you can watch the game tonight. Is that a deal? Okay.
Also, too,
Broncos
if
game.
I see goofing around and not working or